All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pop this guy open and see what Amazon decided to bring us today. Ooh, look at those right there. So, these back seat covers for my Jeep, right? So they go on the back of the Jeep. Look like they got some nice stickers there. One goes on the back of the back seat on the left, one goes on the back seat of the right, and obviously this is for the piece in between. So we're gonna go and put these in and see how they look. So here we are. I got them kind of where they're gonna go. Notice the back of the Jeep seats are kind of getting, maybe you can't tell in a video, but they're kind of getting gnarly from my dog. And so I just want to put a little added protection. I've got a WeatherTech mat in the back, but WeatherTech doesn't make anything for the back of the carpeted seats. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. The set didn't come with instructions, which I'm kind of like, that's okay, because it's kind of a common sense install. So yeah, I think the important thing is that you get that adhesive on the back of the fabric of the seat as best as you can by, pressing it in. So here's the other side, the right side of the Jeep. So there it is with all the tape taken off. Yeah, that took about maybe like 5-7 minutes. One thing I noticed when I'm raising the seat, this catches right here. And so probably what I want to do is adjust the Velcro part. Remember the tape, I don't want to get the tape off that back of the seat. I want to adjust this section up a little bit by just splitting the Velcro and sliding it a little bit. We'll see how that works out. Hang on. All right, here I am, ready to go ahead and put this in there. I think what I'm gonna do is probably start from the bottom and position this up. Right, that way I'm sure there's like a little lip underneath here. I wanna get this under that lip. Maybe a good idea when you're folding up, just to make sure these things get tucked where they should go, underneath. I got it on Amazon. I'll click the link below. You know what? Pretty easy to install. Watch out for the bottoms right here. Watch out for that tucking. Let's see how Cuddy likes it. Yeah, he doesn't seem to mind it too much. He really hasn't noticed it. There we go. Now he's kind of smelling. He's like, what's this? I like the carpet better. But if he's wet from a run, or if he's muddy from maybe some running or something like that, it's protecting that that carpet, that's for sure. The only thing I thought about is that, it gets kind of hot. So fortunately, I've got the alien sunshade. Not too hot. Plus, when he's dripping like he is right now, I'm not going to worry about it too much because it's going to dry up on its own. So yeah, good deal. I'd go ahead and get some. Right, Cuddy?